Hello everyone, I'm back with the poncho beach show. I'm thinking what I was going to call it then, but this is where I've got up to 20 rows at the moment. I'm on my second ball of yarn. It's called mesh stitch.
It's time for bed.
Thank you, Alexa, but it's not time for bed just yet. Anyway, I started off with a chain of 40. No, sorry, 80. A chain of 80. And then, yeah, literally, I did a half double crochet in each stitch. Every 5, like chain stitch inside every 5 chain stitch. That was a tongue twister, wasn't it? But yeah, and then to see how big I can get it, I'm using a 3.5mm hook with cotton yarn, and I don't know, I put the link in the bio. It's all cotton yarn. You get 6 balls, I think, from Amazon. I love Amazon. I get all my stuff from Amazon or Currys. But yeah, when it comes to my yarn, it's Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Hobbycraft, or actually B&M's. B&M's does really good yarn too. I did my silver dresses with B&M. What else? But yeah, I will show you where I've got to. I don't know if I'm going to like join it up or make sleeves or anything like that. I don't know. I'll see how we go, but I just want it really big and drapey, and yeah, I love drape. There's a bit flamboyant, wasn't it, darling? But yeah, one of my favourite things to do and use, one of my go-to stitches, is the mesh stitch, because you can get loads out of it. Even out of a small ball of yarn, you can literally make crop top or something like that. Like, I'm into crochet fashion, garment making only. Anyway, thank you for watching Yarny Boy. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more. Comment what you want to see, and what kind of stitches you want to learn, or what kind of templates you want, because I can do diagrams and templates, even patterns. You just have to ask what you want when it comes to crochet. I can't do the very like intricate stuff, but I can show you how to make a top from the basic stitch, with a basic stitch, or with panels. I can even show you how to do it from the like old projects or scrap yarn. Just let me know. Thank you for watching from Yarny Boy.